Don't just bash, smash, yeah.
SLOMOtion.
Hello everybody, it's your pal SLOSMASHN with another fantastic tale of smashing and bashing. It's slow motion. I did this tale. Boom, Talion, yeah, EXB. Sad shout. 70 miles per hour with the included stock pinion gear and fine print right there. And it's ready to run, yeah! This box is so huge, but we're gonna do it anyway. Here's the back side of it. It has a plethora of information right there. You could pause and check it out. But otherwise, yeah, quick, yeah. And boom, quick magic. There's everything outside the box. I do like how everything was just so minimal and this came out so easy, except for these grippy tires right here. Speaking of which, these are belted. They're actually belted like real life tires right here. They feel tough and meaty. These are my first belted type tires. I think they're gonna do really good at keeping them together and keep that ballooning down from what I hear say. That's a sneak peek of the goodie. Otherwise, get the boring stuff out of the way because you get tools, you get instructions, you don't care about stickers. What else? I saw something here useless that I didn't really care about either. Oh yeah, there was that advertised speed gear and the pinion gear in case that's your thing. See that little fella right there? He lives right there, all happy. See, look at him right there, all nice. Otherwise, the controller, nice controller right here. It's a Spectrum controller. I have it for my LMT. I actually like this. If you have those smart batteries right there, it gives you like a sneak peek of the battery power level right there. Throttle limits 50, 7500. If you got younger kids that are driving this, which younger kids should be driving this thing. At least my kids aren't gonna be driving this thing. This is mine. Neutral reverse, the throttle reversing, servo reversing right there. Everything is binding, and then the foam on here is really good. I like it. Yeah, it gets a little lanyard thingy, touch your thing right there, but otherwise it works for me. You could change the radio if you want, but I like these. Unfortunately, I don't have a set of smart batteries to use. I just have like one 3S and one 2S, so I can't use it with this, which I would love to. Maybe I should order another set. So those are the daily dilemmas of this kind of hobby, ladies and gentlemen. Whether you should just order more. A lot of people are going, yeah, order more. Yeah, well, send me some money, I'll do it. Anyway, that controller does the job right here. It has all your basic trimmings and everything. I like it. I dig it. You know, if the lanyard thing is your thing, and I've slowly become doing it since I've been driving more of my drones and stuff, you really want to have that hanging right there. As much as I used to make fun of these things, that they come in handy. See, just clip it. Yeah. Alright, Italian steak dinner right here. I love the smoked out body right here, and already you can see all that EXB like coolness right there, sturdy strongness right now. And as always, they have these little rubber things that make it easier to pull out, but they break. They don't really last that long. Arnold wants to ask questions. Arnold phone. He says, why do they break so easy? Because these rubber things just break. This is a front view of this awesome beast. You know, one thing I noticed right when I took it out right here, those wheels are kind of like, they remind me of Aliens 2. If you've seen that movie, that armored vehicle they're running around, they got the Aliens 2 looking wheel. But anyway, let's get off subject right here. So look at this thing, is menacing. I thought it was gonna be big. You know, I was expecting like more of a Kraton size or a bigger like Outcast or Arm or Notorious size right here. But this one's not too big right there. Compare it over in comparison to my Kraton. You know what's compared to the Kraton? Yeah. Oh, Kraton. Oh, this is so heavy. That's going to be my next point of view right there, is how heavy this thing. Yeah, good old V3 right there. Kraton, Italian Kraton. You could tell. Oh, you probably can't tell right there, but I could just tell you right now. This thing, the Italian, is a little bit shorter, a little bit less width right there. And I like that. I like that because I was expecting a big thing. I wanted something a little smaller. Okay, that just came out wrong. Not exactly wanted, but just appreciated being a little bit smaller. I appreciate the fact that the Italian is a little bit smaller. Speaking of the weight of the thing, oh, it's so heavy, all that metal. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, metal is cool, but it adds to weight, and plastic is just lighter and flexes. Ooh, heavy, you could do concentration curls, not have to work out. Like such. So yeah, it has a little weight to it because of all that metal right there, is my point being. Alright, enough foolery. Pop the hood. The underside of the body, don't just bash, smash, yeah. Wow, underneath it's just gorgeous, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all that red and black contrast right here. Got a big old heat sink on the Spectrum motor right there. Smart technology. Well, obviously it's smart on the Spectra firma right here. I actually have this on one of my other trucks right here, like a 3300 kV. I like it. You either love it or hate it right there. Big old like aluminum like cross brace right here. That helps with the rigidity. I always butcher that word. And then we got those EXB metal like strut tower braces for the bottom right there. The drive shafts right there. A lot of red. And this is something that didn't come like in a B3 versions of these things right here. This metal servo brace. That's great. That's good to have. I had to buy a lot of this stuff separately to put on there. This eliminates a flex. Metal servo arms are always great to have. Even more red right here. I don't even know what this thing is called right here. What's with this thingy? This red thingy. Red EXB tower shocks right here. This is so awesome. So strong right now. Probably I guess one of the weaker points if you're like sending it and doing all that kind of craziness right there is the chassis right there. You get like a thicker chassis right there, but this is actually pretty thick. I'm not gonna bust out the calipers. I'm not gonna bust out the calipers and measure that, but it's pretty thick and it should stand up to your decent amount of punishment right there. But if you want to send it 30 to 40 feet, like 2-story house high, then yeah, you're gonna upgrade that stuff still. Everything will break. I like that it's already tapped right there for a fan right there. Not that I don't think for my type of driving with this thing, I don't think I need it. I think everything will stay nice and cool. I'm just gonna stay with driving 6S and not even mess with things. You know what? That's why people like me get the EXB. Because you want something just fairly tougher than all the other stuff, and just ready to go and blast and smash out there, whatever that thing said in the bottom of it. Don't just bash, smash. And that's what I want to do. I just want to enjoy it. If you just want to enjoy tough, cool looking things, then the EXB lineup is great. Big old strong beefy arms. I don't really see too much of a problem with those things right here. Anything else, that bumper right there, I'm always big on bumpers regardless. If I choose to not even mod something, I'll end up modding like the bumpers on there. It's like a lot of bumper, and I don't even remember. I think I might have bought an aftermarket like T-Bone Racing one already. You can't remember. You can't remember these things. They just show up like the next day and say, install me. Got the old ice cream 5 connector right there. One single jig big 6S pack or 2 if you want. Leave that thing on if you want the single. Suspension wise, get the push down test. It feels really good, like seriously, like right, just perfect for general like bashing out there. Like I said, if it was super high jumper, house jumping, put thicker oil in there probably. Start with that. But otherwise, let's button it up. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to have this one right here. You can work out with it and have fun smashing bash after that. Do shoulder presses, yeah. It's actually got good weight too. But anyways, we're gonna do that smashing action. Speaking of, we're gonna do so now. Alright, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that smashing action. I'm just gonna put this down so heavy right here. It's not that heavy. It's Anyways, y'all, let me know what you think about it downstairs in the comments below. I think the Talion EXB is awesome. If you just want something tough, above, a notch above all the other RTRs right there, and have fun with it, plug it in, and go and smash and have fun, then this is your truck. And also, if you want to upgrade it a little bit, just do like some small tweaks. You could even just send it even higher if that's your thing. But y'all, let me know downstairs in the comments below. Because until next deal, smash your bell, smash your thumb, subscribe if you ain't had to already, because we are Talion EXB smashing out.